Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry NCERT. Start by thoroughly understanding the syllabus and the importance of each chapter. Build a strong foundation by mastering basic concepts first. Pay close attention to definitions, chemical formulas, and important reactions as you progress. This initial step is crucial for effective learning and retention of complex topics. Make sure you grasp the core ideas before moving on. To truly master NCERT chemistry, active learning is key. Develop the habit of making your own short notes and summary sheets for every chapter. Regularly practice drawing diagrams, like molecular structures and reaction mechanisms, to enhance understanding. Crucially, solve every single in-text question and all the exercises provided at the end of each chapter. This hands-on approach reinforces your knowledge significantly. Consistent revision is vital for long-term retention in chemistry. Schedule regular review sessions for all the chapters you've covered. To prepare effectively, make sure to attempt previous year's question papers under timed conditions. This helps you understand the exam pattern and manage your time better. Identify any weak areas during practice and dedicate focused effort to improve them, ensuring a comprehensive understanding. For an even deeper understanding, don't hesitate to use online resources like educational videos or interactive simulations to clarify complex concepts. Engaging in discussions with your peers or teachers about challenging topics can also provide new perspectives. Remember, maintaining a positive attitude and putting in consistent effort are just as important as your study methods. Stay persistent, and you'll achieve your goals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.